Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver and passenger airbag, 6-speed automatic transmission standard, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, universal garage door opener, child safety rear door locks, fog lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.